Mountain lion. Doggies. On the leash. Alright, dude. You better stick up your stand your ground if we see one of those mountain lions. I gotta make myself huge. You have to growl, bark. Yeah. Should find a stick somewhere. Man, if I had a stick, I'd freaking whack the hell out of it if it tried to freaking eat me. Flies are trying to eat me alive. Come on. Come on, buddy. Bro, this is so cool. Careful, that might be poison oak, bud. Watch out. It's probably poison oak. Dang, now you're gonna sniff me, lick me, and then I'm gonna be freaking covered in it. I don't know what it is. Haven't been out in the woods in a while. These are Christmas trees. Legit Christmas trees. Could be squatch in these woods. Sam Squamps. There's some Sam Squamps over here. Hang on, radar. Let me grab this. This will be my club. Sam Squamps. What is he doing to me? I'm trying to scope the back and then he's walking back. God, he's ruining my fucking thing. Trying to scope the back to make sure nothing's watching us or following us. He over here had a different operation in hand. There's a squash in these woods. Jam squamps. Ooh, my spidey senses are tingling. Something's nearby. They're squatched in these woods. There's a lot of sham swamp shopping here. Here, see? We're gonna take them out, see? We're gonna knock them dead, see? When we toss his body down the river. Anybody commit, they will be the same. There was 300 Spartans. All these mother... There's some squash in these woods. Humans? Humans, you say? We are pretty far on the trail. What do we do? We must keep going. Do not let the Americans take this land. Square. Watch out, they got some disease, bruh. Square disease, man. Alright, broski. Starsky. Radar, look at me. Oh my god, Radar, you're covered in flies. We must dip.